How to convert YouTube video to MP3 on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to convert YouTube video to MP3 on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to download the video from YouTube Studio. So first of all, launch YouTube Studio on a device. Log into your device or account and then tap on content. After that, you need to select a particular video which you want to download and just select the three dots at top right corner of the video. After that, tap save to device and the video will be saved to your device. After that, you need to open file manager and locate your downloaded video. So mine is saved to movies. You can go to the internal storage at bottom left corner of the screen and scroll down and select movies. Scroll to the bottom and you'll find the video. After that, you need to tap the three dots, or you can tap and hold that particular video and then tap the three dots at top right corner of the screen. Now choose rename and you have to change the file extension to Mp3 instead of Mp4. Now tap OK button and then tap rename button. It has been renamed, and then when you open it, it has successfully converted to MP3 on our Android device. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.